Today I'm going to show you a really cool recipe. Only 555 calories and 60 grams of protein. If you want me to make more recipes like this, please like the video or leave a comment.
you